Well, welcome. This is my little generator test. How much noise does this EF1000IS actually make? I'm set up here in my backyard, and I have a tape measure set to about 10 feet away, and I have a sound pressure 10 feet away from the generator, and you can see the meter, and there's the generator. Without the generator running, my backyard's fairly quiet. It's fairly low. Now I have the generator running, it's warming up. You can see it's doing about a 66, 67. We're 10 feet away. I'll go ahead and move in closer. About 2 feet away, 3 feet away, about 76. Granted, it's doing its warm-up cycle, and it's going full bore. So we're about 10 feet away or so. This is as loud as this generator is going to get. I'm standing behind the generator now, just to show you how quiet it is. Back to our original position. So our tape measure. The generator's about 58 dB. Pretty impressive in the idle economy. Here we are on the side or opposite side of the exhaust, and a couple dB lower. I'm showing 82 dB, and let's give you a scale right out the exhaust. Backing up. Consider that a fairly fast idle. And of course, not as quiet as you'd hope, but certainly quieter than a big generator, the EF1000IS.